American 1100. What's going on? I'm not feeling anything. Oh, pin 2. Got a click out of him. Pin 4. What am I gripping? Well, oh, let's see. Okay, my bad. It was pin 1 was behind the tension wrench. Oh, okay. So, let's see. I've got stuff over here. I do not own a screwdriver. Not a single one. So I can't get down there except with scissors. So believe it or not, this is my primary method of disassembling American locks. Just put a scissor head in, and then twist. Until it disassembles. Which is a little unfortunate, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, so let's grab this out. And my professional follower, you'll be able to see. Let me just shake this out. My professional follower is actually just a AAA battery. Because I know what I'm doing. I'm an adult. Okay. So, let's see. Something to take out the C-pen, the C-clip. So this does not fit. It fits my schlag. That came with the Sparrow's reloading kit, which is what I used to learn how to pick. So I don't actually know how to remove these, but I imagine, since I don't own I think I'm supposed to use like a flathead. Oh, what lock number is this? 164. Oh. Cheap bidding. Okay, let's do this for now. Getting the C-clip off, I'm just going to rotate until we get the section of the C into the keyway right here. See the fatter section here? Then we can just lift it off. Come on. It should be enough to get it off, no? Well, let's shove it back and then grab it. Okay. Oh no! I bent my tweezers instead. Okay. I'll pick that up later. Okay. I ruined my tweezers, but that's fine. I'm a scrub. Okay. So now we need our follower. We'll just use the battery. And that works perfectly. Okay. So let's orient like this. So we have that's 2 and 3. So let's see if I can move this. Oh, it still does well enough. And then this will be 4 and 5. 4 and yeah. 4 and 5. Come on. There you go. Okay, and then inside of the Bible itself, so this is pin 1 coming out now. Pin 1 was a spool. Pin 2 was a spool. Pin 3 is serrated. Pin 4 is serrated. Pin 5 is serrated, and then all of the springs, I think, should just be the same. Yeah. Cool. There you go. American 1100. Unfortunate bidding. But, I mean, I've got 8 more to pick through. So, yeah. So, voila. Let's see if we can get a nice little shot of it at the end. There you go.